Okay, you know when someone's asking you a question, right? Yeah. Right. Yeah, that's so smart. Good one. Good one. Here, keep going, Chelsea. Keep going. Yeah, keep going. Yeah. Yeah, so much to say, right? So much to say, sweeties. What a cute little chubby.
Did you have a good sleep, Chelsea?
Did you have a good sleep? Are you hungry yet? Chelsea, are you hungry? Chelsea, are you hungry? Are you hungry, sweetie? You done talking?
Did you finish your conversation now?
You said all you needed to say?
Uh.
Okay.